I am so pissed now. Really am. Woman just pitched a screaming fit at Walgreens because toilet paper is $7.49 for a 4-pack. Ah! She knows they have more stuff in the back. They shouldn't be charging that much. I don't care if they call the cops on me. It's like, lady, shut the frig up. You don't have enough toilet paper in your house. It's your own damn fault. Tried to record it, but my phone wasn't cooperating. I don't know. I'm just trying to get my prescriptions and go on with my life. Yeah, what you stop, man? Huh? Whoa! Hey! Don't even fucking pretend there's a stop sign there. I don't think it was really a stop, and neither was that. Dum. Do you mind? Fuck it. Great. Thank you. Thank you all. I fucked up there, yeah. I mean, a long day. Yeah, 1 and 2. That was 3 over there, wasn't it? Maybe? If you're pulling out, use your left blinker, you dummy. Now, let's not stop here on red. Go ahead. Oh my, yeah, right through it. Yeah, see, stop here on red, dumbass. Stop here, not there. Not past the second stop line. Go! You don't have to yield, stupid. Yeah. Did he run the stop back there? Stop before you turn. No. What the hell are you doing? Signs everywhere. A little faster, dude. Guess who's going straight? Both of these assholes in the left turn lane. There's 1, and there's 2. And you're gonna stop. Yeah, we'll stop. Because Camry. Roll stop Toyota. Because, we're gonna do a lot, right? Did you do it again? Did you do it again? Oh, Jesus. Ugh. Yeah. I'll call that a pass-fail. Yep. Captain in my wedding gown. Hello. 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 Anybody looking? Hello. Uh-oh. This is a... Yep. Exit dive. People are driving like crazy. Hey, stop. Carbon and ginger. Think you want him to go? Beep your horn. Come on. Beep your little horn. No, you don't make gesticulating gestures. You beep your horn. Now don't go. No. You have to stop at the line first. See, like this. You stop at the line, and then you can go. Stop sign. Haha. Jump that for no reason, huh? And exit dive! Did you just go direct to the left lane? There we go again. Yeah, here. Toyota rolled it. Center rolled it. Cadillac rolled it. What the hell just happened there? Oh, God. I don't know why you got into the right lane because this, look, there's a Prius. Damn it. Asshole. Thank you. God, you're an asshole. Lane's ending. I don't know why you're moving right. Try looking as shit. Dude! What the fuck, man? stay in your own lane too, asshole. For Christ's sake, man. And diving out. Toyota. Oh my Lord, and I am ashes, that's an exit dive, impression. Ooh, pass fail. From your head, won't need them anymore. Big truck, get out of that lane. You're not supposed to be there anytime. There's the girl. Could I be your girl? Could I be your girl? Oh my God, what we're doing back there? Exit dive in the front by Ideal Glass. I hope you're enjoying today's serenade. At the stop sign. She's gonna roll stop. And she rolls stop against Subaru. Jesus, what the fuck, dude? It's a 2-lane turn, you dumbass. Whoa, hey, jeez, you're not supposed to be in that lane, Mr. Truck. I was not supposed to cut people off. Ah! Thank you, Po'Joy. You don't need both sides of the road, dear.